Okay, hello once again from Japan. Today is June the 21st, and yeah, it's a kind of cloudy, sunny day here, but pretty nice, pretty warm. And we have a 2007 March, so it's on a 07 plate. It's a Nissan Elgrand Highway Star. It's the four-wheel drive, 3.5 liter V6 engine, so it's the NE51. It's got 30,000 miles on the clock, which is 48,000 kilometers. It's pretty hard to find this four-wheel drive version with low miles. There's very few around indeed, especially in this condition. This is a very nice, proper grade 4 car. It has full black leather, twin power doors, and cameras and monitors, all the usual features, and just a proper car. It also has folding mirrors. They fold when you lock the car. They automatically fold, and when you start the car, they fold out when the engine started. Okay, let's take a look. And again, just all clean, all round. Standard factory 17-inch wheels with radial tires, and also winker mirrors. No cracks or scratches on the winker lenses. And nice clean moldings on the bottom of the doors. They can be very prone to scratching. Nothing here. Nice proper car. Let's just open the back door, have a quick look inside. Actually, it has hands-free on the doors, so if the key is in your pocket, you don't need to press the button or anything. Another well-kept car. Just very clean. And as I always mention, there is a Dropbox link to at least 60 photographs of this car. And of course comprehensive photographs of the underneath as well, to show how clean that is as well, and totally rust free. Basically in Japan, we buy the vast majority of our cars come from the Tokyo area, the Kanto area, principally because we don't get a lot of snow and the roads are relatively clean during winter, so there's very minimal rust. Whereas when you go north and along the Japan Sea and even parts of the south, they get a lot more snow, and it is difficult buying cars there if you want them to be rust free. Okay, again, clean panels all along. low mileage, four-wheel drive. Nice combination if you're going to do a camper conversion. It's definitely worth investing in the car with this mileage and this condition. The usual HID AFS lights and the front fog lights, of course, and a nice clean grille with no fading on the chrome. We do have to change some of them, but this one was just perfect when it came in. Okay, is it open? I can't remember. Anyway, you can see it's got hands-free entry. I'm supposed to demonstrate the doors, aren't I? Yeah. Anyway, okay, well, they both work perfectly. The on the Elgrands, actually, it's quite rare for the power doors not to work. The Series 10 Alphards, maybe the doors are heavier or whatever, but some of those we have to replace the wire, which is a relatively simple job. And but on the Elgrands, it's pretty uncommon for the power doors to have the wire problem. You can see the carpets, all nice. Of course, it has the remotes for the rear and the flip-down rear monitor with full black leather. Yeah, Nissan really got into leather. It's unusual. The Japanese are getting more into leather, actually. There was a kind of an understanding. It's still pretty uncommon, but their understanding was you were sitting on a dead animal, and so it wasn't too popular. But it seems to be having a bit of a comeback. A lot of the newer models do offer it, and am I pushing the wrong button? Oh, hang on. Here we go. Anyway, the doors work perfectly. No problem. So it's yeah. If you don't mind sitting on a dead animal, I like leather. I prefer leather myself. Okay. Very nice. Another weakness on these seats is the side panel here is actually not leather, it's plastic, and they do tend to crack around here, and as you can see, this one is no problem at all. Good driver mat, hardly any wear on there. Again, actually, it's another habit. It's not uncommon for Japanese people to take their shoes off when they drive. It's not everybody does it, but it's not uncommon. Okay, we have two keys, and it is warm today, so the sooner we turn the air conditioning on, the better. Okay, so let's start it up. As you can see, all the warning lights go off, and we've got the four-wheel drive. So if we go into four-wheel drive, we go into center diff lock, we go back to two-wheel drive. Everything works fine. So the air conditioning is going to make a lot of noise because it's just turned on. I'll just turn the fan down a little bit somehow. Oh, here we go. So, because otherwise it's too noisy. But air conditioning works very well. And what do we got here? The comes with the glove compartment, the no evidence of smoking in the car that we can see or smell. All the glove boxes are fine. It's got rear camera, and it also has applied side camera as well. That's going into the rear camera with guidance. So you have guidance on the rear camera, which is useful. It's the air conditioning, audio controls on the steering wheel. The steering wheel itself is very nice. The leather and vinyl are basically perfect. No issues with those. It's what else have we got? Of course, you've got the controls for the doors as well as on the button. On the buttons on the keys, and you can turn the AFS off. You can, and then the controls for the mirror. As mentioned, the mirrors automatically retract when you lock the car, and they automatically fold out when the car is started. So yeah, condition of the leather in the front is also very, very nice. That's the option sheet. We'll get into that. And being leather, they have heated seats in the front. The front two seats are heated. The armrest is good. And what else we got? The driver's seat is has power operations for the backrest, and positioning the driver's seat has power. Yeah, I think that's about it for the interior. Headlining is nice, just nice and clean. As mentioned, it's got the rear video monitor. Okay, let's take a look at the engine compartment. Nice unmarked driver door card. Okay, it's the V6 3.5, which is, as you probably already know, a very smooth engine. It's a very pleasant car to drive, as are all the big Toyotas and these Nissans. They're very pleasant to drive. This one having the additional benefit of being four-wheel drive. So, okay, so then we have the auction sheet. So this one came from JU auction, actually a local one to us. This auction's only about 20 minutes away. It's a grade 4 with a B interior, so 4B. As good as you get. Heisei 19 March, so that translates to 2007. A 04 plate, 07 plate, sorry. NE51, designating four-wheel drive, 3.5. Doesn't say too much, just double power slide doors. Of course, it has leather, full black leather. The auctions aren't always so so specific. It doesn't even circle the leather on this one, but whatever. And the body is clean. It says W2 on the near side rear panels, which would signify paint, but paint looks absolutely fine. A very proper job on that, and just some minor things about the overall condition of the car. But yeah, it actually came with a set of aftermarket wheels on it. We've put a set of standard 17-inch Nissan wheels on it to bring it up to a standard specifications. So anyway, just very nice, proper car, as good as they get, and they don't get any better. For this age, mileage, condition, this is as good as you'll find. So depending on what you require in a car, if you're looking for a very clean, low mileage, four-wheel drive 3.5 Elgrand, this is as good as it gets. As Jack Nicholson said, I think it was. Whatever. Anyway, let us know if you're interested. Let Paul know at Jap-Auto-Agents. And we hope this very nice car finds a new owner. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.